Hello again everyone, welcome to our Forex Trading for Beginners tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to unravel the concept of Forex market hours. We will explain it in a way that's easy to understand, especially if you're just starting out in Forex trading. Let's dive right in. Forex market hours simply refer to the times when the Forex market is open for trading. Unlike traditional stock markets that have set opening and closing hours, the Forex market operates 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. The Forex market doesn't have a central location or a single exchange like stock markets. Instead, it's a global marketplace and it's open at different times in different parts of the world. This makes it unique because it allows you to trade almost around the clock. The Forex market day is typically divided into 4 major trading sessions: the Sydney session, the Tokyo session, the London session, and New York session. Each of these sessions has its own specific time when it's most active. For instance, the London session typically opens at 8 a.m. GMT and closes at 5 p.m. GMT. The New York session opens at 1 p.m. GMT and closes at 10 p.m. GMT. These are the times when you often see the most trading activity. Now keep in mind that the Forex market takes a break over the weekend. It closes on Friday afternoon and reopens on Sunday evening based on GMT time. So you'll have some downtime during those hours. Understanding Forex market hours is important because different trading sessions can offer various trading opportunities. Volatility and liquidity can change depending on the time of day, which can impact your trading strategy. In a nutshell, Forex market hours refer to the times when the Forex market is open for trading. It's unique because it operates 24 hours a day during the business week and is divided into major trading sessions. Knowing these hours can help you plan your trading activities ahead. It's like the heartbeat of the Forex market, and understanding it is essential for successful trading. If you found this video very helpful, please like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you won't miss any of our beginner-friendly Forex tutorials. That's it. Thank you again for watching. I'll see you next. Have a good one. Bye.